Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, unfortunately, the bloodshed continues. Reverse split happened on Monday, and the price tried to get a little bit of a bounce, but that didn't last very long as the opening 30 minutes, big red candle. And then from that point, it was just, consistent bleeding the remainder of the day. So overall, looking like the overall selling pressure is still very, very apparent right now. And first thing I'm going to do is just the initial update, and this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So right here at 725 is one of the newer areas of resistance, but as of right now, this level is relatively irrelevant. So what I'm going to do here is just bring it down to a more relevant area, and that's right here at the 695 mark. So 695 going to be that first key level to watch if there is any sort of attempted bounce. So if the price does try to work its way back upwards, then again, like I said, that first major roadblock, first major kind of test that would await the bulls is right up there at the 695 mark. And then from the overarching standpoint, continue to watch that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, as that'll be a level that, isn't relevant right now given that, the price is down here and that moving average is way up there. But nonetheless, like I said, just from an overarching standpoint and a bigger picture context point of view, that would be the overall area of resistance. And then as far as areas of support are concerned, it really doesn't matter at this point. What do I mean by that? Well, until the bulls can prove themselves, and what do I mean by prove themselves? I mean, you look at these highs, and these highs just keep getting lower and lower. So until the price can at least, on some sort of bounce, break above a high. So even if, like I said, it's getting up here and getting back above 7. At that point, I mean, does that mean the entire chart's completely fixed? It doesn't, but really supports are, they don't matter that much because as far as, the chart is shown, for example, right there, the price bounced upwards. Hey, maybe that was a level of support and then totally destroyed today. You look back here, hey, maybe that's a level of support and then totally destroyed. So that's why I say focus on, where those highs are. If there is some sort of bounce, can the price at least break to a little bit of a newer high? And in this situation, once again, to wrap things up and circle back, it's all about that 695 point. So we'll see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.